conference last year, you probably heard those 3 songs. And they sounded good for a 6th grade level, but as we get to 7th grade, like I said before, one of the main objectives is to just build endurance and build, well, endurance is probably the biggest thing, and their breathing habits and just the way they can produce a sound. It sounds really good. And then we get to the point where we start playing longer songs. We're now actually going to move on to School Spirit, which is the next song that's on your program, and this is definitely one of the longer songs that they'd ever played. And then we got a few other long songs to play for you. So, but anyway, so for the past 3 months or so, we've been doing a lot of work out of the book, working on some technique, and then along the way we learned some music. So we're going to play some of that for you tonight. This is School Spirit.